We have our materials. I have some ink on the tray. Remember, it is just the teacher's job, and only the teacher's job to give out the ink because it is an expensive resource. Ink is permanent on your clothes. You need to wear a smock, and if you're wearing a jersey, I highly recommend that you fold it up and put it in the cubby. So we have the ink, we have the brayer, which is what we're going to roll the ink, and the Baron. I also have several people's linoleum so we can test the prints. First thing you're going to do is you're going to spread this evenly on the tray. We're going to do up, down, and left and right so that we have a nice, thin, consistent layer. We're actually listening for a sound. What you want to hear is like a squishy sound, and then you know your ink is ready. Next step, you're going to grab your linoleum, and you're going to roll over your linoleum. This is a test print. Therefore, any areas that the ink hit it that you don't want printed, what you're going to do is you're going to remove those. So let me flip this over, center it on this green test paper, and I'm going to gently use my Baron like it's an iron. This is not a hammer. Gently like an iron, making sure I'm getting all of the sections pressed down. Now I'm going to peel it up. I can use these two items as a reference, and what I would do is any areas where there are black ink, I'm going to carve those away and then wash this off and try printing it again. This print is very successful. This was carved really, really well. You can get into the weeds and really take a look. Now there is other ways of doing it. So this artist left the lines. This artist carved away the line. So this is going to have a totally different look. Again, placing it down on the paper, centering it, and then gently using the Baron like an iron, pressing all of the sections, and then peeling it up, and using this as an opportunity to check my work. Is there anything I want to carve? If it is shifted, that means you moved it. If like you have these empty areas, that could be not enough rolling, or it could mean I didn't press enough in that time. You always want to wait as little amount of time as possible between applying the ink and then pressing it so it doesn't dry. Okay, one last piece. Go ahead and mark this one up. And again, same process. You get the paper ready, flip it over, center it, use the Baron to gently press. And you peel it up. From here, you can look and see which areas you want to edit, maybe take away some of the black on the outside.